Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope everyone's doing well today. Off with a new video. Did my mail call and fines, and I have 2 mail calls again tomorrow. So guys, we're going to start off with the Acura NSX. Positive that's what this is. Yep, Acura NSX 2017. I love this green. It's my favorite Acura NSX of my collection. The color does it for me. Really liking this color. And new display coming up about 3 weeks into May. And it's a display diorama. It's got some parking, and it's got LED street lights on it, so I can't wait to get it. It's gonna look great. For my background, I'm gonna change things around right here, once it comes in. So we'll be doing video at a different spot, and won't have Rat Fink there. He's gonna retire. Anyway, I'll put him in some videos, but with that background, I'm gonna leave it. Alright guys, next one. Honda Civic SI. It's got some wheel swaps on it. I got this online last summer. Absolutely love these. These wheels go perfect with this Honda Civic. Looks so good. Love these Honda Civics. They look so great. Looks really good in black, and just such a great combination with these rims and tires. Really a nice looking casting. Okay guys, driver's side, next one. I have a pretty sweet looking casting coming up from Mini GT. I got, I think it was about the beginning of last year. So about a year and a little under a year and a half ago. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Next one is a Porsche 911 GT2 RS. And this is from Mini GT. And I just got done cleaning it, which really didn't need it. I just shine a little bit more because I keep these in the box. So I don't want them getting damaged. So they stay in the box with the little plastic case that goes in. And that's where she'll stay. But man, this Porsche is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, let's go to the passenger side. We'll go to the next one. Yeah, as you guys know, I love my yellow. And this Porsche just, oh yeah. Great looking Porsche. Okay guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one's a 66 Chevy Nova. Purple with some dark blue graphics on the side there. Sorry guys, I had some lint on there. I don't know where that came from. Okay guys, sorry about that. Something was on there anyway, I got it off. So anyway guys, this is a 66 Chevy Nova. I'm gonna put the Porsche away because I'm gonna get it stored up, keep it on the shelf. I want to bring that one out and brought it out in some time. I love this Chevy Nova. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the rims on this, just goes so good. That's such a great looking casting. I love the metallic purple with sparkles on it there. It looks really good though. I really like this casting. Got a plastic base, of course. It's gray. Alright guys, next side, next one. Got a legend coming up. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. 67 Chevy Camaro, 50th anniversary Hot Wheels Classics. Reissue. I have the full set, and this was the last one I was able to get, which Ratblack sent to me. Grateful to him for doing that. This was the only one I needed. It was really hard to find, but I'm glad I got it. It's in my collection, so it's looking really good though. Really do like it. Gosh, sorry guys, I'm tired. One more full time around, guys. We'll go to the next one. Real nice looking casting coming up. Okay, guys, almost there. 7 left. So it's going to be about 15 to 16 minute video. Alright, here we go, guys. Next one. 55 Chevy Bel Air. Okay, guys, there she is, looking really good. Real nice graphics there in the front and in the rear. And this is the antifreeze green. Spectra Flame antifreeze green. Looking really, really nice. Love this color. This color, antifreeze green, really stands out. Hold on, guys, got something to drink here. Ooh, I need that. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one, 68 or 69, I can't remember. It's 68 Ford Mustang. This is from AutoZone. And if I can remember correctly, Ratblack sent this to me as a 2-car set, which had the thing when they raise the car up on the racks. And I forgot what the other car was. I have it in my collection still. But it's an AutoZone. Last time I saw one of these, it was 20 bucks, which is not really that bad. I figure it's about $10 a car. This Ford Mustang just looks real nice. It's got the orange headlights on it. This one I don't bring out much. All the rest of them you've seen. This one, the Camaro and the Porsche, the only ones I don't bring out all the time. Alright guys, driver's side, next one. Next one is also a classic. It's a reissue. Wish I had the original. Alright guys, next one. Itty Gritty Kitty. This one just looks so, so nice. I love the color of this too. It's like a Spectre Flame Candy Apple Red, and I do love the Candy Apple Red. It really does look nice. And these are the modernized red lines. But this is really a nice looking cast in. It's got pinstripe there on this side, on both sides there. But this is just so cool. Such a great classic. Alright guys, next side, next one. 4 left. Okay, let's go to that next one. Going on 11 minutes right now. Next one's a Pontiac GTO, and I'm pretty sure it's about 66. GTO Tiger. But this just absolutely gorgeous casting from Johnny Lightning. I tell you, Rat Black got me into getting these Johnny Lightnings. I've been buying them ever since. It's between this and Hot Wheels mostly. Sometimes I'll get a green light, M2, Auto World, Matchbox, but most of the time it's Johnny Lightning and Hot Wheels. Really nice castings coming up. Besides this one, the last 4 are the best. Like they say, save the best for last. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Yeah. Also a Johnny Lightning. It's a Chevy Chevelle. This thing just looks so, so badass. Man, it is so gorgeous. Never get enough of this casting. Just looks so like it did back in the day. At the SS badging on the sides there and the front quarter panels. It's just absolutely a beast of a car. I tell you that right now. Boy, do I wish I had one. Wow. 69 or 70 would be my choices. Alright guys, next side, next one. It's so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous Chevelle. Okay guys, let's go to the next one. Next one's a 68 Plymouth Roadrunner Hemi. This is absolutely gorgeous too. Also a Johnny Lightning. This thing is just absolutely gorgeous. I love the silverish gray, or gray more or less. Just absolutely gorgeous casting, that's for sure. One more full-time round, guys. We'll go to the next one. It'll be the last one for the night. Okay, guys. Next side, next one. Yep, we're going on 15 minutes right now. So yeah, it's going to be about a 16-minute video. Alright, guys. Go to the last one. Of course, say the best for last. 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS396. And this one's just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love this. The tires, the SS badging on the quarter panels there, just absolutely a gorgeous casting. Man, just absolutely love this. Absolutely gorgeous. That's for sure. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite, and please subscribe guys. Guys, have yourselves a good night. Be good to each other, be well, and I will see you guys in the next video. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.